Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add your business location on Waze. This is a great way to make sure your business shows up for drivers navigating in your area, increasing visibility and helping customers find you more easily. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Waze app on your phone and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a warning icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to reporting various things on Waze, including new places and locations that aren't yet on the map. From the menu that appears, click on Place. This option specifically allows you to add new locations to the Waze map, which is exactly what we need to register your business location. By selecting this, you're telling Waze that you want to contribute a new point of interest. Now, you'll need to take a photo of your business location. The app will prompt you to use your camera, so click the camera icon to capture the image. This photo helps verify your business and gives other Waze users a visual reference of what to look for when they arrive. Make sure to take a clear photo that shows your business storefront or entrance. Once you've captured the photo, click the right arrow to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be asked to input a place name for your business location. Type in your official business name exactly as you want it to appear on the map. This is important because users will search for your business by this name, so make sure it's accurate and matches your signage. After entering the name, click on Add Category. This step helps Waze categorize your business properly. A drop-down menu will appear with various category options. For example, if you're adding a restaurant, you might select food and drink and then narrow it down further by choosing fast food or another specific subcategory that best describes your business. Proper categorization helps drivers find your business when searching by type. Once you've selected the appropriate category, click Done. Now input your house number in the field provided. This ensures your business has a complete address that navigation systems can use to provide accurate directions. The house number is a crucial piece of information for precise location mapping. Next, click on Tap to confirm location. This will show you where Waze has placed your business on the map. Take a moment to review the pin placement and make sure it's accurately positioned at your actual business address. This is your chance to verify everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied that the location is accurate, click the check icon to approve it. This confirms that all the information you've entered is correct and ready to be submitted. Finally, click Done to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully added your business location to Waze. Your business will now appear on the map for drivers to discover, making it easier for customers to navigate directly to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.